Wagwan, what's great? Sheffield John Morrispan, and I just want to say Happy New Year. I recently released a video where I was expressing my gratitude for all the love shown to me throughout 2020. You see me? It was a year, a tragic year for most of us, if not all of us, but we made it through. And the very main fact that you're here watching this video, you made it through. So congratulations and Happy New Year 2021. What I want to do is something a bit different from what you're used to. I am here to present to you a year in review, a rewind, so to speak. So I'm going to be rewinding the year 2020. I know nobody no want to go back in a 2020, neither do I. But let's face facts. 2020 had its ups and downs. 2020 gave us a kick, but it also gave us some beautiful dishes. So let's go back a little bit now. We are going to be doing a year in review, a rewind, so to speak. I'm just sitting on the chair chilling, you see me? But I'll be live in the comment section, so make sure you tune in to the comment section because I will be responding to as many comments as possible, you see me? And if you miss me in the premiere comment section, head on over to the regular comment section after the end of this video and I'll respond to everybody that I can within the first hour, after which I can't guarantee a response. That's why I should make sure you turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a video. You see me? So stay tuned, watch the year in review, and hopefully you'll see something in there that you've missed or you see something in there that you liked. You know what I say? So big up on yourself, grab a snack, make sure your belly full because you're going to be in for a treat, and I want you to just indulge with your eyes. Ooh.
Okay, hold up. Hold on. This is too exciting.
Slow down, bro.
Hold on.
Oh yeah, rushing things.
Woo!
Today is just merely a giveaway video for our 100,000 subscribers milestone. So we want to show you our appreciation by giving back. There'll be 3 cash prizes. Cash prizes such as $150, $100 and $50. So first, second and third cash prize. Now all that money currency will be in Canadian currency. So if you're in England, you now get British pound. I'm sorry. I'm going to be buying a pot set because as I told you guys, you won't be seeing in the cooking videos.
I thought you were joking.
Because I go revamp my kitchen all together. So this is a pot set that I'm getting, all stainless steel. You see me? Someone set up my kitchen where your camera they direct it. Instead of how my kitchen set now, and if I stand up with the camera, I have to turn side view so I talk to them.
Yeah.
Then I turn back around to the food. We have me can the right there so. I have one camera here so, one camera here so, and one right there so. You see me? And I can have one right there so and one above my head. Right here that
the lights, yeah.
And one that come look straight.
Oh, okay.
Angle for here, so.
It looks good on the camera.
Amazon there. Package there. Yeah, people, I get video now. Package there now. Hello, good afternoon. Thank you very much. Thank you. Package there now. Package. What? Guess what here? Guess what's here? Remember me telling you, the pasta series continue. You see that? Yeah. They call this the unboxing one. You see me? Telling my people. Now I'm investing in the kitchen to bring you guys the best. And sneak peek, this is going to be my working area. It's not done yet. Wall art, nothing to go up it, but this is the working surface. Look out. You'll see a drastic change in my kitchen. This is my setup right now. And I'm going to show you the finished product in due time. I'm going to go and shop. And I'm going to recreate everything. You see me? As you all know, today is my birthday. So yeah, our birthday wishes are welcome. You see it? Big up on yourself. just want to say thanks to everybody who participated in this giveaway, and congratulations to all those who won. And I'm going to take the next 3 minutes. I'm going to end this video at 15 minutes. I'm going to take the next 3 minutes for just do some shout out real quick in the comment section. I'm going to go on a kitchen tour. That's next video. I know a lot of persons have been messaging me say, yo, what the cooking video them? Everything resume in March. So look out for that. We're going to be doing a lot of videos where this one is concerned, right? And that's pretty much sums it up for this shelf right here. I mean, natural wood, it's nice, very affordable. You see me I say? And everything that's on there is necessary. Quick grab, and then we have it in the kitchen. How to make bacon carbonara. Yeah man, we're taking it back to Italy. You know what I say? And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Don't eat it. Ma eat the basil.
Yummy. Try the picture now.
I'm back with this Rasta pasta. Yeah man, I eat. We're done. Cheesy, spicy. Oh God. Alright my people, you hear that? Beautiful. Cheesy. Right on this up. You see it? Yeah. Chicken breast. Just for fun's sake, a little bit of that cheese. How to make red stripe beer battered fish and chips. Gonna serve that up with some homemade coleslaw, homemade tartar sauce, which can be found in the description box as well, and that is a perfect addition with your fish, and of course some fries. And there you have it, how to prepare red stripe battered fish and chips here on Morris Time Cooking Ed. We're doing one of my favorite. It is next to steamed fish, but no, this is called roast fish, and we're roasting this indoors in the oven, stuffed with callaloo, okra, the whole 9 yards. Alright, wagwan. And the day after the mukbang, just watch his steamed fish and all these sitting. Jesus! And if fish is stuck out all the eyeball, that make your back strong up, you know. I am going to be showing you how to make Jamaican fried dumplings. Alright, now I'm going to break into one and show you what it looks like. Perfect as promised. It is not oily inside, my people. It is nice, perfectly cooked, nice and hot. See that? Beautiful. How to make coconut shrimp served up with some Scotch bonnet aioli. We're doing curried shrimps. If that's something that's interesting to you, stick around. After the intro, we get cooking. I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic butter, and then we're going to be using these videos as time progresses into some beautiful dishes. So look out for those dishes. You know what I say? I'm going to give you a little bit of fast food you can do at home for the quarantine. You saw in the title, yes, we're making a crown garlic cheese bread, royal settings. I'm excited to present to you tripe and bean. Jamaican thing, man, Caribbean settings. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it. I want to present to you how to make coconut cornbread. If that is something you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we get into the field of the corn. I mean, I thought it's only like a corny joke. So corn, no joke, it's only like a corny intro. Probably should I make cornbread? I'm going to be making brown stew chicken with little under 10 minutes, right? Alyssa just asked me to come and make some brown stew chicken, and she wants me to do that because I always make it flavorful in such a short time. No marination necessary, and I guarantee you, you'll get that flavorful in less than 10 minutes. Breaking news, man, I kill it because I want my battery dead. Oh, my battery dead. Breaking news, girl I kill him man because he don't know if he cook good. Breaking news. Today is in celebration of Mother's Day. First and foremost, big up my mother, Miss Pauline Bailey. You know the thing, go. Big up Alyssa, because she's the mother of my child. You see me? And then big up my mother-in-law, Miss Joanne. Big up all of my sister-in-law, them who are mothers, all of my friends who are mothers. I can't call out every mother name because the video that done. You see me? But today, I want to teach the men, the thugs, them, the gentlemen, them, how to prepare some food for your lady, for your mom, for your sister who is a mother, you see me? For your cousin who is a mother, for your girlfriend, your wife who is a mother. Give the woman them a break and make them some lunch. I want to present to you how to get your curry chicken done in under 15 minutes. You saw the video the other day where we did that brown stew chicken to let it be flavorful without any marination. So if that's something that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it. We're making homemade burgers. I'm going to put a little twist on it, but I'm also going to be showing you how to get it done regularly. So if that's something that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it. Just going to cover that up, or you can leave it open. Beautiful burger. And I'm gonna give it a bite. Egg.
That gives the extra creamy taste, huh?
Fresh bun. Patty perfectly seasoned and not dry.
And the onion and the mushroom give it extra flavor, so you don't need to season your burger. Remember, I questioned you about putting such a little bit of seasoning in it. All the condiments and all that made it perfect.
You saw in the title, we're about to give you peppered shrimp, Jamaican style. You feel me? I say a lot of persons have requested this one, and today is the day where we get into my version of our Jamaican beloved pepper shrimp. You see me? Street food. And there you have it, how to make your Jamaican pepper shrimp. You know what I say? The street food, as I said, have this coal at its best. We're making homemade pizza. Fresh sauce, fresh dough. And there you go. That beautiful cheese pizza. And as I promised, look at that crust. Wow. And there you have it. How to make your homemade pizza. You see me? If this is something that you're interested in and you'd like to see me venture into different pizzas, leave it in the comment section. Hey, I'm not exaggerating. When you taste this one, you're gonna say, yeah. The dough, beautiful and soft. Perfect. The sauce now, that's soft. Look at this dough. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Try pizza for me. I don't want nobody to say I exaggerate. Jamir is an honest youth. Probably hot though, my boss. I'm not asking nothing.
Yo, he loves it.
Talk no man?
No, sometime.
This time.
See his face? He's just in it.
I thought he didn't want no boring pizza.
One eternity later.
I'm going to present to you some Parmesan cheese bite. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we get right into this video. Look at that sauce. Got little nibbles of garlic. Oh my, roasted garlic. Mouth to salivate, bro. I run water.
It's really good.
This is a quick little appetizer for you to try out. We don't have this every day. I wonder if it's okay.
We just had it one day. Just one day right now.
And
We never tried them.
would you spend money for this?
But at the store?
Johnny? Would you pay money for this?
Yeah, only for girls because I'm not even big.
Only if you're grown up. You can use the money from a piggy bank.
Yeah, I just want to buy money. Like 100 million.
So you'd pay me to make these?
Yeah. The last piece. This is so good. Don't eat the last piece.
Don't worry, I'm not eating it.
We have 3 left. Why?
That was very enjoyable.
Look at that. We're going to be making some rotisserie chicken, Jamaican style. You cited the title, so you know exactly what you're about to get. But guess what? I'm still going to tell you. We're going to be doing that jerk barbecue style, as well as we're going to be doing some dry Cajun. So, look at that beauty. Woo! I'm gonna rotate it for you. Look at that beauty. Are you seeing that? This is the jerk barbecue Got the color that I wanted, base it a little bit, and there we go, 2 beautiful chicken. This is gonna be for our meal prep for the week. Let me rip off a little part here.
Ew.
It's a little part, the tail part, what they call the chicken body. You use this in Jamaica to produce a lot of oil. I'm going to show you how to produce your own oil from chicken. If you don't have no oil, you have a motor run water and the back here. So you cook out the chicken, you fry the chicken body.
Yeah, and make oil.
And you get the oil so you can cook your chicken. Oh my God! We're making a quesadilla omelette as seen in the title. Quick and easy. This is something that I've been whipping up for weeks now, and I say, you know what? Let me share it with my fans. You know what I say? That cheese. Ooh. And there you go. Your kids will enjoy this too. I made this for my son, 5 years old, but I put some pepperoni in there, and I'm telling you, this guy ate all 4 slices with 2 eggs though, and he was saying, Dad, I'm full, but I can't stop eating. This is so good. Try this out at home, and I guarantee you, quick breakfast, once you have everything prepped in under 5 minutes. You see me in the summer beat, because out the door, the sun a beat. You see me, out the door is probably, me no know. I forgot to check my watch. You see me? Hey Siri, what temperature is it outside? Make us see what I go.
It's about 31 degrees outside.
Woo! So here Siri say about 31 degrees, so outside a burn up. But we are going to deal with some chicken breast so that it doesn't become burn up and dry out. So if that's something that sounds interesting, stick around after the intro. We get into it. Alright, you realize the side's starting to get opaque. Now we're gonna flip them. Beautiful. Beautiful. This right here is from our pan. And look at that. Look. You see all those drippings, right? And these chicken breasts here will be served up with some mashed potato and some asparagus, which I have a video out on, so check out the next video at the end of the screen to know how to prepare asparagus nice and juicy and firm to the touch. Speaking of firm to the touch, this is how firm we're talking about. You see it? Look at that. Nice and firm, but crunchy, juicy. Yeah, you got it right, man. Today we're making a 8.5 pound goat leg curry that done. However, unfortunately my battery died and the party got the best of me because I got so busy, but everyone enjoyed it. Some nice thick gravy on there. You have yourself a wonderful bowl of curry. Is it? I want to present to you how to make your Jamaican style jerk chicken wings. You feel me I say? That's something that's been requested for a while now, and I'm going to be bringing different variation of chicken wings. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we get into the first of many. Toss a few in here. Just add some spring onions, green onions over top. Today, we're making none other than chicken cordon bleu. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, get into it. You saw the title, so you know exactly what you're getting. We're going to be making some blueberry crumble. Today, I'm going to be preparing, as you saw in the title, a blueberry crumble French toast, and this is going to be delicious. No maple syrup, no Aunt Jemima, no farmer syrup. We're gonna make everything from scratch, with the exception of the bread. And we are making this Cajun chicken burger / chicken sandwich. Let's get right into this recipe. Right now, we're going to be making. When me talk, say that's a long minute on camera. How much fried dumpling you want? Tell me, you know. How much do you need? 2. See how that corned beef looks nice and moist? Wow. That's what we're talking about. And there you have it. How to make your Jamaican corned beef, aka bully beef, aka ghetto ground beef. And there you go. Right in there. Just sits beautifully. Place it right there. Right? And there you have it, how to make your ackee and saltfish plantain cups. And this is beautiful for appetizer. You get to me I say? 1 or 2 bites and you're good to go. Remember me tell you, introduce this to a family party, next gathering, and this is sure to steal the show. Today, I know you saw the title, and I came dressed especially for the occasion. All them attack, man and pepper, ketchup them a play lemon pepper. Lemon pepper wings is where it's at. I have a video out on 2 wings, jerk wings, and some honey garlic. As you know, I always try to make my stuff from scratch all the way up. Don't get a bite. Chicken. It's beautiful. Big up on yourself. Ready for it? Thank you very much for stopping by. As seen in the title, we're making some garlic shrimp today. This one is gonna be quick and easy, and I guarantee delicious. Into our serving bowl. If you have some leftover pasta, you can just toss it right in. Add a little bit of spinach. You know the thing go. And you have dinner, lunch, or brunch. Right now, I feel like I am back at KFC, back in the days. You get me I say? So you saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. Today we're preparing some KFC style popcorn chicken. As seen in the title, we're making some Jamaican fish tea. We call it fish soup. Quick and easy recipe. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, we'll get right into it. Big up everybody that showed love on our last fried chicken video. Popcorn to be specific, KFC Jamaican style. Today, it's no different. Yes, it's a bit different. We're doing the regular fried chicken. You can call it original fried chicken from KFC style, but again, we always gonna put a twist on it. You've requested this one.
Look at that, cooked to perfection, right down to the bone. Wow. Oh my days.
This is cooked perfectly down to the bone. Today, we're making cheesecake, but not any regular cheesecake, you know. We have put a twist on it to suit not just this time of the year, but all year round. And we're making some pumpkin cheesecake, and it's just in time for Thanksgiving.
Yes.
What are we doing today? Jamaican KFC spicy fried chicken. You've requested it, so I am here to deliver. Stick around. After the intro, we'll get right into it. Crunchy test. Ready now? When you ready? Oh God. Let's see. Season down to the bone. Spicy. Hey. Look at that. Been marinating for a week. Game changer. We're about to make some Jamaican beef and pumpkin soup. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around. After the intro, get right into it. I know by now you've seen few of the KFC ideas that we've got done. You've requested this one, highly requested at that. So I am here today to present to you none other than the Jamaican style barbecue chicken. This is what we're working with. We don't want to fall over nothing. I have to take a step back. Wonder if we don't hear the crunch. Barbecue chicken tastes so good.
Make you want to slap your mama, don't it, Willie? Yeah, boy. Hey, mama.
What the hell you want with?
Listen. It's worth the wait. So because I'm doing these TikTok recipes, this just brought back box. I mean, remember Taki?
No, I'm just checking
Let me
mine.
see my test. So
Hi, boy. Welcome back.
So yes, welcome back. And as I said, we're doing something totally different today. All this was brought to you by Anisha Adams. She came up with the idea of remaking some viral TikTok videos and see how well these recipes are. As I said, this is the first in Morris Times history.
I'm excited to do this video because I like food.
Today, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your turkey
for Thanksgiving, or you can have this whenever time. I'm going to be putting a twist on it, and this turkey is a jerk barbecue. Nice and juicy, and not only a turkey, but I'll make some gravy to go with that for you.
John, look at that. Ooh.
You've asked for it, and I'm here to deliver. We're making today, as seen in the title and that beautiful thumbnail, the Jamaican KFC Zinger sandwich. Me could dig in. Nice and juicy. Wish me could have shown you. Battery above me. Up. Camera dead.
And there you have it. Look at that. Pineapples nicely caramelized. You have a nice, beautiful glaze. Serve this up with your friends and family. Have a Merry Christmas, a happy and prosperous New Year when it comes. And there you have it. How to prepare Scotch bonnet maple glaze ham here on Morris Time Cooking It. So, how did you like that one? Me tell you, make sure that you eat something or you have a snack eating. So that was our 2020 year in review. As I said, it's not the best year for us. You know what I say? Wasn't. My apologies. Can't nobody know go back this. So wasn't the best year for us, but it gave us some great things nonetheless. And I am thankful for you for being a part of the Morris Time cooking journey through 2020. Look out for the year 2021. Lots of video. Cooking resume in February. You get me I say? And speaking of cooking resuming in February, I have merchandise coming out, and that should be the next video out. So look out for that video with a lot of things that's been happening on the channel and them good things. You see me? So once again, thank you very much for the love. You see me? Make sure 2021 you and yours are staying safe. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go on big up on yourself.